You're here for lunch, right? You only got 1 hour. But don't worry, I have a solution to your problems here at the Chaan Zuzu's special Hong Kong style sandwich. Pull up a seat and have some tea. Today's tea is Da Hong Pao. Da Hong Pao is known as the Big Red Robe. It's a very smooth tasting black tea. Wonderful fruity notes. Sit down and let me prepare you a sandwich. Add to a bowl 6 fresh eggs with a nice dark orange yolk and add a little bit of milk. This milk helps to emulsify the eggs along with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, tapioca, or potato starch. This is the Hong Kong technique to keep your eggs from becoming too watery. So add in 1 tablespoon of oil, salt, and pepper. Remember to beat the eggs until there's almost no egg whites left and set aside. We're going to chop up this tomato into nice long slices and peel our lettuce. Remember, when you're done, to set aside your tomatoes and lettuce on a sheet of paper towel so that your sandwich will not become soggy a little bit later. In the meantime, we're going to season our chicken with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We're going to be using some chicken fillet, but you're more than welcome to use some dark meat or a full chicken breast if that sounds like your thing. Here comes the most important part, which is cooking the eggs. Making sure that your oil has a little bit of ripples before pouring in your eggs. This is when you know that it's hot enough. And then just push the eggs around. If you start to see some folds in your eggs, you are doing it right. Your bacon, chicken, and spam and set them aside. Unlike the sandwiches that you see in the convenience store that might as well be filled with lies, I have a solution here. A thick sandwich that will not leave you disappointed. Now, oftentimes these sandwiches will be served with tea or milk tea. It just depends on where you go, but these sandwiches are designed so that you can eat them quickly in between your work shifts. Next, of course, we're going to toast our bread. In Hong Kong, generally speaking, you will cut off all of the crust off the bread. Don't waste them. Eat those crusts, they're still delicious all the same. But for our cases, we are going to be toasting them with a little bit of butter until they have flavor on both sides, and then make our sandwich. Now, generally speaking, this is served on top of milk bread, but if you don't have milk bread, that's okay. You can just use some Italian-style bread, as long as it's not something like Wonder Bread. Wonder Bread might as well be cardboard. There's lots of other variants, of course, including some nice sauté beef. But as a kid, for me, I just preferred having a little bit of spam and egg on top. Make sure that your spam and egg layer is separate from all of the other ingredients. I just find that the sandwich holds together much better this way. Secure your sandwich with some toothpicks and voila! Delicious Hong Kong style sandwich.